JDB67 stock routing, which we're going to lube and try and put some foam in it. This is what it sounds like stock. Got a bit rattly up here. This is an Everglide, I think. Alright, take this puppy apart. Screws under the switch, there we go. I remember. Hey. And you can see now you've got like 2 there and 1 there, and 1 over these corners. That should allow the PCB to come out, if I remember right. So we got some decent foam in this, so we can change the sound of it a little bit. So we've got some 50-gram springs, some frog tape, some foam. There we go. There's easier ways to get the switches out. Right, all the switches out. Finally. So we're going to switch them out for the 50 grammers. These were bought from Wooting, so it's about switches. You just want to destroy your fingers. Back. This is the stock one, and there's a 50. It's slightly different. Don't know, it makes it a little bit smoother. Springs, but they're pretty smooth anyway, to be fair. It's more about changing the spring. GPL 405. Sorry, 205 even. Definitely grease them. It's the most tedious job in the world, changing this stuff over. So now I've got a lighter spring and a bit of lube. Right, my days. We put foam in the Wooting's pretty good stock. But switch that out so we can make it sound a little bit better, a bit more premium. Got all the all the springs took out. Oh my days. Right, let's peel this out. Not bad foam here from Wooting. Got some packaging foam. We've got some frog tape. Alright, let's put some of this foam in. Nice and thick. Hopefully it's not too thick. We'll have to try. Hardest part now, I was trying to cut this in. Trying to get nice and tight. That'd be a little bit too much. Can always trim it back. So we can always dring it back if we have to. Definitely got high at the front. And then some frog tape. Put one strip on it, so that sounds like. And then we'll try and mix it between the foam and the frog, I think. And then I think we're ready to put it back together. So it looks like underneath. Oops. Put it back together. That's what it sounds like. Sounds about ready. Using the space bar. Hey, finally. What do you reckon? It just sounds nicer, definitely. That's pingy. Try it next to the faithful Cherry MX Blues and the Ducky. Or K5. Bit pingy that one, isn't it? Or it's Tiger Lite. This seems to be the nicest one so far. Might still prefer the Tiger Lite, I think. KDB 67. Ooh, it wouldn't sound better. This is using Everglade Everglides, this one. The other one's got the 4U U4T. Just sound nice, doesn't it? Cool. So that was muted, I guess. What else we got? I can't actually remember what switch is on this Canon. Can't remember what it is. Brought this one on stream though. Don't know. GMK Pro. Looks mingy nice, clean, isn't it? Don't get white keycaps when you have your house renovated. It's using alpaca 2s. AKO Mod 008. AKO Blacks. Which ones they are? So both routings. So it's cool that I can mod this bad boy up. That's what it sounds like. Sound pretty nice, that, to be fair. But that's $600. That's like, I don't know what they are, $160 or something. I can't remember. Plus a bit of modding.